From the previous slide, it is known that the EMF induced will be Nawab sin omega t. So means its value at t equal to 0 should be 0. However, it is not the case for all. It depends on the angle between B and A, that is magnetic field and an area vector normal to the surface. So here comes 3 different cases where its value at t equal to 0 could be 0, positive or a negative. In case of 0, phase angle is 0. In case of positive, the phase angle is positive, and same for the negative one where its value at t equal to 0 is negative and the phase angle is negative. So from this we can conclude that the phase angle is basically that how much time has been elapsed since it has crossed its 0 value. While considering 2 different waves at an instant and drawing on a graph, we consider phase difference between them, which will decide whether the wave will form constructive or a destructive one. As in mechanics, we use vector idea in order to judge whether 2 forces will bind up or they will cancel each other. In the same way, we use phase angle or the phase difference between these 2 waves or more than 2 waves in order to judge whether what will happen when they combine. Apart from graphical representation, we are having 2 more types of representation. One is polar form representation, where we took magnitude with an angle and we represent like this, x something to the angle theta. And the other one is rectangular form representation, where we represent 2 different things on x and y z axis and we write in the way. If y is positive, that means the angle which it is making with the x-axis is positive, we represent in the first way, otherwise in the other way. It can be present in all the 8 directions. The value of AC is not constant as it is in DC. So in AC we use the concept of instantaneous value, average value and RMS value. For DC, all the values are same. But for AC, we are having different one. The average value represents the area between the curve and divided by the interval of the observation. Whereas RMS represents the area of a small section taken square time and integrating it throughout the interval and then applying root over it. To remember, you can reverse the RMS alphabet where S represents square, mean and root. So first perform square, then go mean and then to the root one. For RC circuit, charge on capacitor increases by the given equation. You can also see in graph. In this animation, you can see that charge on one side of the plate being decreased, and as it decreases, the potential developed between the capacitor also decreases. Hence, the driving force acting on an electron decreases. The phase representation is shown here. While discharging, charge on capacitor decreases and it's being dissipated by the resistor. In RL circuit, voltage equation is given here, which is going to be increased across an inductor. For an ideal LC circuit, the circuit will keep on going for infinite time, where one would give charge and other would store in the form of energy, and this cycle will continue forever. However, we do not deal with the ideal condition.